What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie if you are new. Today's video we are going to be installing this bob wig from IUZ hair. If you would like to see how I achieved this whole look, just please keep on watching. What's good, you guys? So we're just gonna jump right in. So today's video is brought to you by IUZ hair. I believe that's how you say it. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. So the wig came just like this in the carry bag where you can hang it up and stuff. I'm noticing all the companies are starting to do that, which is cool. So inside I have my wig, and I got some wig caps. And then of course the hanger so you can hang it up. So today we will be working on a T-part bob wig. Right off the bat, I already see that the hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. Looks really natural. And there's a total of 4 combs, 3 at the top and then 1 at the bottom. And then there are some adjustable straps as well. And then also an elastic band that you can remove. I don't usually use an elastic band, so I'm just going to remove it. So on almost all of my wigs, I do adjust the straps to the farthest that they can go. So I go to like this right here, because most of them are medium cap size and I have a small head. Okay, so she is really cute and she is fitting pretty snug on my head. So I like have no space in the back, which I love. Oh my God. So I'm gonna show y'all a close up of the hairline. See, it looks really natural. I am gonna pluck her just a little bit, you know. So since it is just a T-part wig, I can only do a middle part, but that's totally fine with me. I am going to open her up a little bit as well. So the first thing that I like to do, I always clip the hair back and then I clean my forehead. So with the towel, I'm gonna clean my forehead just a little bit with some alcohol. This is 91% from Amazon, girl. Y'all need to get this. I know it looks like a water bottle, but it's alcohol. Just gonna clean a little bit. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of mousse, a lot of body mousse. I love this mousse, it smells so good. I'll leave a link down below. But I'm gonna just use a little bit of this to get rid of the flyaways. Just like that much, just a little. And today I'll be using my Wig Dealer's melting spray. So I just apply it to the hairline and then I move it back. I'll show you guys. And then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer, but on a cool setting. Right? I don't know if y'all can notice, but there's like a little bit of white stuff here, like little flakes. And to get rid of that, just get some mousse, girl. So now we're gonna melt the lace down. get an elastic band. I got this off Amazon. It came in a roll. And yeah, just cut a big little piece. And yeah. This will lay that lace down. This will be your best friend. I'm just gonna lay it down for like about 5 minutes. So it's laid, hunty. So now let's cut this lace. But this is what I like to do before, because you know when you spray it, it kind of gets right here. So I go like this so it can get off my skin a little bit. So y'all see the little white line right here? I'll show y'all how I get rid of that. I'm gonna just spray a little bit more. So this is a T-part wig. I have extra lace, so I am able to lay some baby hairs. So we're about to do that right now. All right, y'all, so I just laid just some baby hairs, I guess you can say. So now at this point, I'm just going to wand my hair and then I'll show y'all the final look. And yeah. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I just added some wand curls and brushed them out just for the, you know, little wavy look. But this wig came out really cute. I really like how easy it was to install and it was super quick. Y'all saw. I added some makeup to my hairline. I don't know how it looks on the camera. I added some sideburns, just like long sideburns. Looks really cute. I didn't put any baby hairs in the front, as you can see. I feel like it laid down pretty good. It looks like it's coming up my scalp. I'm actually going with a little bit of my BioSilk Silk Therapy Oil. Y'all know I love this stuff. Like a little, like barely any. Just so I can get that shine. Yes. I have nothing bad to say about this hair, you guys. I love this hair. It's so cute. The bob look is just everything. All the information on this exact wig will be linked down below. I also have a coupon code for you guys. It's Carey15. That's CAREY15 right here. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.